Hey everybody, it's Neil, and we have a door that the bottom of it gets a lot of wind and whatnot through. So there's this device here, which is supposed to help prevent that. So let's see what we got here. Oop, there's everything falling out. Okay, here's the instructions. It comes with a couple of adhesion promoter, which I'm gonna guess are probably like little alcohol wipes. And then we have the device here, which will tape onto the bottom of your door. Let me open it up, see what I'm talking about. So this will tape onto the bottom of the door, and then this will slide along the floor. So that should give you that seal you need. And it looks like this one here is probably 3 feet long. So if you have a 3-foot wide door, so you'll want to clean it first and then tape this on at whatever height level you need to have it open and close. This one here's for white, but I'll show you what it would look like here on this door here. This door is not white, and it's not on a floor, and I don't have to worry about it because this one here is an inside door. But the concept will be, it'll tape on to that there, and I'm sure you can cut it easy, it's just silicone there, and then as you do it, it'll slide along the bottom, so you'll be able to keep the heat in, cold out, whatever. So this is nice. So even if you have like one of those doors where you have a huge space at the bottom of it, this one here is going to give you an extra, you could probably tape it on and you get an extra inch. So even if you have an inch hole on it, this here will help seal it up for you. So that's what this is for. And it's super flexible, super nice. If you look at it up close, you can see it's just like a super nice silicone, probably super high temp, good stuff that will work for anything. And it's got the VHB tape on there. So it's going to stick on and stay on, and to get it off you'd have to use like goof off or something like that. So it's really cool, nice device here. So definitely want this on your doors in the winter time or in the summertime to keep the AC in. So these are totally handy, totally nice to have. Thumbs up for sure.